More blueberries.
A cone. Water. Do you want some water?
She was talking about the crayons. Blueberries.
This is Yadeline.
Making funny faces.
Why are you taking a picture of her?
Because I think that she looks cute when she's eating her blueberries.
I'm cute too.
You sure are. Mommy's cute boy.
No, Mommy's not a cute boy. Do you say that Mommy was a cute boy?
No, I said you are Mommy's cute boy.
Yeah, I just moved your coffee cup. I just moved your coffee cup.
You didn't touch my coffee cup.
Yes. Dada.
That is a picture of Dada.
I should. I'm done.
All done?
Want to get down? Do you want to get down?
Probably.
You want to
She's
get
closing
down?
up her cup. Shake, 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 shake.
I'm done.
All done water? Thank you.
Ever.
Now what do you guys want to go to? Oh, are you sharing your blueberries? Thanks, Ryan.
I can't wait. Reach it.
That's from Ryan. Oh no.
I'm done.
They are all done now.
All done blueberries. Do you want more blueberries?
They don't have any more blueberries.
Do you want some more? Do you want more?
You want to get down and play?
Yes. Do you want to play, Mom?
Yeah.
I will recycle these. This.
Okay. Thanks.
See? No more. No more blueberries. No more. No more. There's no more blueberries in here. I'm done. Yep, they are. Don't say over and over and over again.
She's not.